So let's talk about removing friction and the Collison installs. And what I mean by that is that the two brothers who founded Stripe are the Collison brothers. And in the earliest days when they built their prototype, the way that they got early users and early beta testers was they did it very, very manually, and they did it in a way that didn't scale. So they would ask someone, hey, would you install our software just to try it out? You know, they go talk to a retailer or whoever. And if they said yes, they didn't say, okay, great, we'll send you a follow-up email to get this done. They would pull out their laptops and walk them through the install right there. What that did was it had them in a really action-based approach of let's just get this done, but it let them be there to watch the installs and see how people responded to that early setup process. But it also did is got them up and functioning as a paying customer. So this approach, again, doesn't scale. It's not the kind of thing that's going to work at a really, really large level of installs. But in the early days, getting that learning, that's going to make you bulletproof of understanding how can customers think about your product, understand what you do. So whenever you are in the early days trying to get that sort of feedback, think about the inefficiencies of the Collison install and how what that does is removes any friction in the way of those users and customers getting used to whatever it is that you do.